Dali pa picture.
So it's time to play some games.
Start your foot. Okay. Turn around.
Pwede po lagay ito may channel.
Okay, pag sinabi kong jump 3 times, jump kayo. Okay, pag sinabi ko naman, turn around. Siyempre, turn around. At pag sinabi kong get the cup, paunahan kayong kunin yung cup na nasa unahan nyo. Okay? Okay, sige, let's try. Baba muna ng cup, kids. Okay, baba muna ng cup.
Baba mo na, baba
Kaya kukunin nyo lang cup yung nasa unahan nyo, ha? Okay, listen to Ate Mika, ha?
Kita ko lang naman.
Okay, let's try. Okay, in 3, 2, 1, trial pa lang ito, ha? Touch your head, touch your head, touch your feet, turn around, jump, 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 touch your head, get back up. Yan, sabi lang ang gagawin nyo, ha? Okay, kids, ready? Kaya lang gagawin natin, okay? Okay, layo-layo kayo para hindi kayo pagkakaman.
Usog mo yung phone kasi.
Bibidyo ko. Hello, bataan! Bataan.
Sorry.
Okay, this time, game na to, ha? Hindi na to trial, yung mga out. Bawi tayo next game. So, bibilisan ni Ate Mika, kailangan mabilis din kayo. Okay, in 3, 2, 1. Touch your head, touch your head, touch your hair. Turn around, jump, jump, jump. Touch your feet, touch your feet, touch your feet. Touch your shoulder, touch your shoulder, touch your head. Guys, wala pa. Pag sinabi ni Ate Mika get the cup, tsaka nila kukunin yung cup. Okay? Okay, babawal sa cup. Okay, ulit tayo. Listen kay Ate Mika, ha? Pag sinabi ni Ate Mika get the cup, tsaka lang kukunin yung cup, okay? Okay, in 3, 2, 1, touch your head, turn around, jump, 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 touch your feet, turn around, jump, 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 clap 3 times, 1, 2, 3, jump. Ay, wala pa, baby. Wala pang get the cup, may winner na tayong dalawa. Okay, ulit. Okay, listen. Pag sinabi ni Ate Mika get the cup, doon nyo lang kukunin yung cup, okay? Okay? Okay, ulit tayo. Touch your head, turn around, jump, 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 touch your feet, touch your head. Wala pa, touch your head pa lang. Okay, sige,
Walang kapatid si Zane. Sige, doon na. Ay, wala na. Uwi na.
Wala kang ano.
Uwi na, doon na. Ay, uwi na.
Okay, huwag niyo muna kukunin yung cup, ha? Pag sinabi ni Ate Mika, tsaka lang, okay? Okay? Okay, 1, 2, 3. Touch your head, turn around, jump, 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 touch your head, get them up! Nasa na? Yan! Okay, mga walang cup, upo na po tayo. Okay, very good.
Appear.
Okay, okay, cup, 3 times sa unahan. This time, ha? Ganun ulit. Okay, pag sinabi ni Ate Mika get the cup, tsaka lang kukunin yung cup. Okay, ready guys? Oh, di ba? Ready ka ba? Okay, ready na? In 3, 2, 1, touch your feet, turn around, jump, 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 touch your head. Wala pa, baby. Baba yung cup. Okay,
Let go.
Turn around, jump, 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 touch your feet. Touch your feet pa lang, baby. Touch your feet. Feet. Touch your head. Turn around. Jump, jump, jump. Touch your shoulder. Touch your feet. Turn around. Jump, jump, jump. Get them up. Yan, meron tayong 2 winners. Okay, kaya? Okay, last 2 na lang tayo. galing kuya.
Sumasamba pa.
Okay, kuya, kinagaling
Sumasamba.
mo. Okay,
Kayo na, kayo na lang.
Kaya mo talunin si kuya?
Yes, yun.
Yes, kaya mo yan. Okay, ito na sa final round. Siyempre, mas mahirap po. Yung cup, nasa unahan nyo na. So, pabilisan to. Kuya, kaya mo yan? Okay, ready guys? Ready ka na? Okay, ready na siya? In 3, 2, 1, touch your head, turn around, jump, jump, jump. Touch your feet, touch your head, turn around. Clap 3 times, 1, 2, 3. Jump, 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 jump. Touch your head. Get the cup! Yan, meron uno siya. Okay, siguro meron din siya.
Thanks for watching. Bye.